Good morning, dear student. My name is Deepti from DIPS Karol Bagh, and in today's lecture, we are going to continue the reading of History Chapter 10, Challenging the Caste System. And in previous lectures, we have read about the what is the caste system and movements against the caste system. And in today's lecture, we are going to continue this movement part, and other is now today we will read about the other movements which was started by different peoples. Uh, Dadabhai Naroji, along with the UB Vacha, started the Ranumai Maziyadian Sabha for the safeguarding the Parsis against the evils of society and also the protect the Zoroastrianism religion. The Parsi reformer work for improving the position of women and providing opportunities for girls. The so Dadabhai Naroji was a social reformer as well as a political leader. He was a Parsian and he has worked for the Parsi community, which is a very small community in our Indian community, and they followed the Zoroaster, and he worked for the upliftment of this community. Next is Shromani the Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee led a movement for the reform and proper functioning of Gurdwaras for the welfare of Sikh community. In 1923, a law was passed which gave the right to Shromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee to manage the all other Gurdwaras. So Gurdwaras, as we have heard about it, Gurdwaras mainly are under the control of Shromani गुरुद्वारा प्रबंधक कमेटी, जिसको हम SGPC भी कहते हैं. सो SGPC के अंडर सारे गुरुद्वारे आते हैं. इंडिया के जितने भी गुरुद्वारे आते हैं वो सारे SGPC के भी अंडर आते हैं. और ये और इनका गुरुद्वारों की अपलिफ्टमेंट, उनका देखभाल करना, उसमें लोगों के लिए सब सुख सुविधाएं प्रोवाइड करना, ये सारा SGPC देखती है. ठीक है ना. और इसके अलावा लोगों के एजुकेशन के लिए भी देखती है कि कहीं पे SGPC ने वालों ने कहीं पे चैरिटेबल हॉस्पिटल्स भी खोल के रखे हुए हैं, चैरिटेबल स्कूल खोल के रखे हुए हैं. बहुत चैरिटी का काम भी ये करते हैं ये SGPC वाले. नेक्स्ट इज भीमराव अंबेडकर, कॉल्ड द आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, devoted his life to fight against caste discrimination, and he started the Brishkrit Hitkarni Sabha, which promoted the economic and social upliftment of deported class of people. During the British rule, Dr. Ambedkar fight against the all effects of untouchability. Yes, Dr. Bhimram Ambedkar, he belongs to an lower caste and he fight for the equality, justice and फटर्निटी के लिए उन्होंने सारी जिंदगी लड़ाई की है. ही इज नोन एज द आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बिकॉज ही वाज द चेयरमैन ऑफ ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. मतलब कि इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को ड्राफ्टिंग करने वाली यानी कि लिखने वाली जो कमेटी थी उसके ये हेड थे. एंड ही हैज मेड ऑल द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज मेड अंडर हिज सुपरविजन. So that is why he is known as the architect of Indian Constitution. He has worked for the upliftment of his fellow men, and he has made a started Sabha, which is Brishkrit Hitkarni Sabha, and who work for the economically and socially backward classes of the society. Although it was completely removed during the British rule, the government of Free India took up the task of eradicating the evils in society. Untouchability was made punishable by law according to Article 17 in Indian Constitution. However, the struggle against the evil of caste system is still challenge for Indians. सो स्टिल ये बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम रही है. ब्रिटिश टाइम पे मोस्टली सोशल इवल्स हमारे ख़त्म हो गए. जैसे सती प्रथा बंद हो गई थी, चाइल्ड मैरिज को अगेंस्ट उन्होंने लॉ बना दिया तो वो भी कम हो गया था, विडो रीमैरिज स्टार्ट हो गई थी. बट ये जो अनटचेबिलिटी का इसको ऊपर अभी भी काम करना बाकी था. तो वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के आर्टिकल 17 में इसको प्रोहिबिटेड कर दिया गया और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने इसको बिल्कुल अनटचेबिलिटी को ख़त्म ही कर दिया है। तो आजकल ये हमें देखने को भी नहीं मिलता, यही कारण है। So that's all for the today, and tomorrow we will do the back exercise of this chapter along with their important terms. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.